Okay, today we want to be looking at algebra as one of the branches of mathematics, just like listed in our previous video. So I want to look at algebra. Now say algebra is centered around the study of numbers and variables and the operations performed with those numbers. It centers around what? The study of what? Numbers and variables and the operations performed with those numbers. So it's known as what? Algebra. So we also have what types of algebra? We have the elementary algebra, abstract algebra, advanced algebra, commutative algebra, and linear algebra. These are the 5 major types of what? Algebra. So the first one now that we have is the elementary algebra. We said elementary algebra is what? Is the basic algebra. Is the basic form of what? Algebra. Number 2 we have here is the abstract algebra. Abstract algebra deals with group, rings, vector, and space. Deals with what? The group, the ring, the vector, and space. So also about the advanced algebra. The advanced algebra here deals with what? Sequence, series, and conics. Deals with what? The sequence, series, and what? Conics. Then we'll have the commutative algebra. Commutative algebra here deals with the rings and modules. Rings and modules in mathematics. Then we'll also have what? The linear algebra. The linear algebra here deals with what? Function, vector, and matrix. Function, vector, and matrix. So under the types of algebra, this is what, how, and where we can find or apply them.